My name is Rachel Connolly and I'm a third-year PhD student at the School of Agriculture and Food Science within the Institute of Food and Health at UCD. So growing up, I always had a keen interest in animals, and this led me to wanting to pursue a career in agriculture. For my undergraduate degree, I studied sustainable agriculture, and then I applied for a Master's in Agricultural Extension and Innovation at UCD. During this time when I was completing my Master's and working part-time as an agricultural advisor, I seen an advertisement for a PhD in animal performance and multispecies swords advertised, and I was immediately drawn to this and so applied for it. My research focuses on improving the sustainability of sheep production systems. In Ireland, sheep are farmed off pasture-based systems, and these pastures are predominantly grass monocultures which require a high level of nitrogen to sustain growth, but they're also poorly tolerant to adverse weather conditions, including the likes of droughts that we're seeing are becoming increasingly common. So my research aims to assess how increasing the botanical diversity of the swards by including plants like clovers and herbs into the pastures can affect the animals' performance and their subsequent environmental impact. I think, like a lot of PhD students starting out, I found the practical aspect of the PhD quite daunting. So I hadn't grown up on a farm, and when I started the PhD I was tasked with managing 120 ewes and their lambs for a grazing experiment. Initially I found this very new, and it was definitely a challenge for me. However, after a short period of time, I really came to enjoy how much control I had over my own research, and I improved both my technical and research skills. This aligns with the Institute's emphasis on translational real-world research. I really enjoy working outdoors with the sheep. They're not the easiest species to work with. However, at Lyons Farm we have an excellent team of farm staff, research technicians, academic supervisors and students, which make it possible. Outside of the research itself, I've been given some amazing opportunities, from guest lecturing to speaking at conferences and travelling to New Zealand for an educational trip. This was an amazing experience I'm very grateful for. The practical aspect of my research means that some of the outcomes can be readily applied at farm level, offering clear strategies to improve sward productivity and animal performance. Aside from this, there are some challenges with these diverse swards regarding the longevity of the plants within the pasture, and my research can contribute to gaining a clear understanding of how best to support these swards to increase their lifespan. Being based at UCD Lyons Farm has allowed me to become part of a vibrant and supportive community. I've built some really strong friendships here with the other students conducting the research. There can be long days, night shifts during lambing and sampling at all hours of the day, but the supportive team here make it very enjoyable.